Hi everyone, welcome back. Once again, OLAPLEX surprises us and releases another amazing product. The new Nº9, which is a leave-in serum that will protect your hair from pollution and heat. This serum works as a hair shield and protects your hair from damage. This is a weightless, silicone-free, color-safe, and vegan serum that glides over your hair to create a protective barrier, and it protects all types of hair and textures. It contains red algae extract, which is rich in antioxidants to help defend our hair from daily pollution that we all encounter. OLAPLEX's patented bond-building technology is also included in the serum, as it is in every one of their products. In this video, you will learn everything you need to know about the new Nº9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum, including how it works, how to use it, and how to properly fit it into your OLAPLEX routine to give your hair the love that it deserves. Nº9 will be the first step in your styling routine. Prior to styling and for optimal results, you would start by washing your hair with OLAPLEX's shampoo and conditioner, or if your hair needs more moisture and hydration, you can replace the conditioner with OLAPLEX's at-home mask. Apply the serum on damp, towel-dried hair. Start with a small amount and then add more as needed on thicker and longer hair. This serum is water-based and glides over the hair very easily. You can really feel how nourishing the serum is and how it creates this really nice slip over the hair. The texture is like a very light gel, so a little goes a long way. Start applying the serum to your ends first and then work your way up to the roots. Once you are done with applying the serum, brush your hair out for even distribution of the product. At this point, you can style as usual. Air dry your hair for a soft texture, blow dry your hair for a smooth finish, or diffuse for waves or curls. You also have an option to apply the serum sparingly on dry hair for frizz and static control, as well as added shine. You can use Nº9 on days you wash your hair and any days in between for added protection. Nº9 works as an anti-damage hair shield, protecting your hair from pollution for 48 hours, and it provides heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 232 degrees Celsius. Not only does the serum nourish and repair existing damage, it also helps to guard the hair from breakage and protects the hair from future damage, which is very important because hair breakage is irreversible. Some of the visible benefits the serum provides is hair shine and softness. It also helps to detangle your hair and improve manageability, and is anti-static, which helps to reduce frizz. Nº9 provides style memory and restores elasticity for bounce-back curls. You can use Nº9 on its own, or you have an option to layer it with other products. Nº9 will create an even canvas for other products to work better and boost their effects. So if you are using the OLAPLEX line, then you can customize application of the products based on the hair type and texture. Once you are done with applying and brushing out Nº9, then proceed with applying Nº6, the Bond Smoother for frizz control and faster blow dries. Nº6 has been recently redesigned in an easy dispensing airless pump, just like the Nº8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. Nº6 is a highly concentrated formula for all hair types that smooths, conditions, and strengthens without adding, hold, or excess weight. It will also help to define and smooth air-dried curls and reduce frizz and flyaways for up to 72 hours. Apply half of a pump to damp hair mid-lanes to ends. Comb through for even distribution. Here's a general guide from OLAPLEX on how much of the product you should use. Don't forget the products are concentrated, but you can use more for longer, thicker hair and less for finer, short hair. Next, we are going to use the Nº7 bonding oil. This will provide maximum shine and softness. Turn the bottle upside down and gently tap the bottom of the bottle to dispense a metered drop. Apply a few drops to damp or dry hair and then style as desired, and you're all done. Nº7 also has a reparative formula and is a leave-in styling treatment. It also has heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and is weightless and will provide color vibrancy. By using these products together, you will provide maximum protection for your hair. Now let's talk about how the serum works. We all know pollution is everywhere. We are surrounded by it on a daily basis. Unfortunately, pollution can damage our hair because pollutants generate free radicals that cause damage. Free radical damage is hair damage. Free radicals cause damage by seeking out stable molecules like the ones our hair is made of and penetrate into the hair cuticle and cortex. Hair damage appears as split ends, frizz, dryness, dullness, and breakage. What Nº9 does is helps to shield the hair from what's in the hair. The serum will glide over the hair and shield it from pollution. The antioxidants in the serum will neutralize the free radicals before they can cause damage to the hair. So if you are looking to have healthier hair and you want to nourish the hair from the inside out and have a necessary preventative hair care routine, then this is worth a try. Stay tuned for our upcoming video on a great new collection from a well-known brand. Thanks for all of your continued support, and we will see you all soon.